Okay, I'm going to show you how I created this automated shorts animation for real estate agents. And so basically what this would do is it would take an input of photos from a listing. You could set it up to where it would pull the photos itself using something like Vision to create the best images. But in this case, since it costs money per image, I'm going to choose the best 4 images that I think will work for this listing. And it's going to generate a 40-second animated short. So what we do is we come in here to Airtable, which is just like a database, and I put in a description of the listing and then 4 images. In practice, this would be a form that the real estate agent or the owner of the property would submit, and it would populate the database, and the database would look like this. It would have the title, and then it would have an image. So here's one image of the cabin, here's an image of the river, here's an image of the kitchen, and here's an image of the bedroom. Okay, and I chose those because those are, the best selling points of this property. And I just pulled those from the listing page, okay? And then you can get a little bit of information about the cabin from this page. And what the short will do is it'll come in here, it'll set a variable for the contact information taken from the page, and then it analyzes the image and it creates a description based off of the image. So this is all dynamic. I have no idea what it's going to say about this cabin, like this this right here. I have no idea. It's going to look at the image, it's going to come up with a script that is 25 words long, because in this case that's how long 10 seconds is for the voice that I chose from ElevenLabs, which actually produces the voiceover. So description of the image, we format it in JSON so that we can parse it correctly. We do it again, same thing all through here. And then we come over here to RunwayML, and we send the information to RunwayML, which is an image to video AI, and we pass in the correct JSON, which is the image, and then the result of Vision, which is, so Vision comes up with the script, and we send it in there, and we do that 4 times. And then we come in here to ElevenLabs, and we create the voiceover using this professional Emma Taylor as the voiceover. We upload this to Cloudinary, and then we wait for the upload to happen. Then we retrieve the videos from Cloudinary, and then we go to Creatomate, which is putting in all of these variables into this format, which is more JSON, that basically overlays all of the tracks on top of themselves and then does the audio. And then we re-upload it to Cloudinary, and then we update the database table in Airtable, which will give us this finalized video over here. Okay, so I'm just gonna run this. So I'm going to choose where to start. In this specific case, I'm going to choose this last one, and then we're going to run it. Okay, so you can see that it's already creating the first part of the image 1, image 2. It's going through there, it's choosing the script for the image, it's coming out. Now it's going through all these other ones, right? And this only takes a few seconds. The longest part of all of this is actually just waiting for the thing to get uploaded. And so as we're going through the generation portion, oh, looks like we got an error here. I didn't do the images correctly. Go back. Okay, so I need to have some things checked over here. Images complete. So I didn't do that. So sometimes you have to get it all right. So we're going to go back. We're going to run it again. We're going to choose where to start, choose manually, and we're going to go 60. And we're going to run this one more time. So it's going to do basically the same thing. Yeah, it costs money every time it goes through these, but this is really the expensive part. So the way that RunwayML works is that it's going to charge you every time it creates a video. So in this case, it's creating 10-second videos. I think it's, so there's 5 of them here. This last one I forgot to mention. So in the variables, you sent the contact information, and this last one just creates the contact information that says, hey, here's our phone number, contact here, or click more in the description, that type of stuff. And you can set that to whatever you want, but it'll pull it automatically too if you wanted to. So now we generated the rest of the videos. We're creating the voiceover at ElevenLabs, uploaded it. Now we're waiting. So what this does is basically, this is uploading the video, and we need to wait to make sure all the videos are uploaded before we start to retrieve them, or you'll get an error. So this is just a timeout. While that's running, we can come over here and kind of look and see what these visions created. So this is the first one. Relax on your deck, immersed in a vibrant fall foliage and a soothing sound of a flowing river. The video prompt is colorful leaves gently rustle by the riverside. Okay, so that's what Vision found from the image that it looked at. Let's see what this one says. Experience culinary joy in a cozy kitchen featuring modern appliances, rustic wood accents, and serene forest views for delightful cooking moments. The kitchen invites with warmth and charm. Okay, so this is pulling straight from the image. Let's see if we're done over here. So we're almost, no, we're still going. Okay, then this last one, experience culinary, oh, we did that one. Where's the image for? Here we go. Fall asleep surrounded by rustic charm in this cozy cabin bedroom with wooden views. Rustic bedroom with sunlight streaming through tall trees. Okay, so this is going to be the voiceover, and this is going to be what it creates the video from an image from, if that makes sense. So we're still waiting over here. It's going to take a little bit. So there we go. So we retrieved all the videos, and now we're creating the actual video from Creatomate. So you can see all of this takes, 3 to 5 minutes probably to run through this thing. Most of it's just waiting. And it costs, $2 or $3. Whereas if you were to try to create this image, send it to an editor, and do all those things, it would take hours of time, and however much it costs, $50, $100 or whatever it is to get it edited. And then you're going to see that we're going to create it on the fly. And I haven't looked at it yet, so we're going to find out. All right, so what's going to happen here is that eventually it's going to upload an image to Airtable, and we'll get a link in here, and then we'll click on it and see how it looks. Okay, so let's see what it says.
Welcome to Riverside Retreat. This beautiful, completely renovated cabin is situated directly on a peaceful river and located only 6 miles from downtown ElevenLabs. The perfect weekend getaway. Relax on your deck, immersed in vibrant fall foliage and the soothing sound of a flowing river. Experience culinary joy in a cozy kitchen featuring modern appliances, rustic wood accents, and serene forest views for delightful cooking moments. Fall asleep surrounded by rustic charm in this cozy cabin bedroom with wooded views. Contact us at 770-361-5277 or click the link to check availability.
And that's it. So all of the video came from the images themselves. So as you can see, the images that we uploaded are what they actually made the video from. So that's pretty cool. There's 1,000 different uses for this type of thing. You could use it for listings. You could use it to do interior design. You could use it to do bookings, real estate showings. You could do it for all sorts of different things. But that's how it works. And see you in the next video. Thanks.